I need to go up on the roof because we're experiencing a couple of places where we have leaks. Time to get up on the roof. There we go. So here we are on the roof. I'm gonna go around and fix that spot around the skylight. And there's also a little bit coming from at the cab area. So I have to inspect this too. And I think I see a couple of spots where it makes sense for me to put down some more material. It doesn't look like it's a bad problem though, at all. I don't think it's a problem at all. Oh, there you go. That's what I'm needing to fix. I think I'm gonna take that bonding and go right from here and put a strip right there, and then put another one right there. And then I think I'm gonna put 2 there, 2 here, and 2 here, and get that job done well. So of course, while I'm up here, I realize I have a solar panel connection that is not connected. It must have been pulled apart during our travels. So I've got to repair that too. All right, no problem. I'm gonna let this dry up for the next 25 minutes and then put down that tape. That'll be great. And I'm gonna do the tape on the front also. And if you ever miss a spot, you can always take off some more tape and put down another piece of it. All right, moving on to the next phase. Which is reconnecting this wire to this. Because for some strange reason on our drive from Calgary, it let go. Nice quick connection, and I've got full power back to those solar panels to the batteries through the solar charger. Whew. Yeah.
Did you cross the power?
Nope. Is the microwave on? Okay. I don't understand that then.
Oh no, the microwave is on.
Okay, we have power.
So how come I can't get the...
Is the power cord lit up?
Nope, not.
Okay, then push the push button at the electrical outlet.
It popped off right away.
Okay.
I'll leave it for now, let you deal with it.
Thank you. So if you need to get the roof repaired, just have a few basic supplies, take care of it. Hey, whatever it takes. But I had to get up on mine today to get that done, and now we get to see if it all holds together and makes it dry inside. I'll let you know. So I was up on the roof yesterday. Lisa was starting to do some laundry and said, hey, I need the washing machine and it's not working. And what it was is the GFI stopped working. So I'm gonna replace the GFI and we will see if I can fix that problem. All right, guys, I struggled and I finally think I won the battle, actually. But I had to get out my meter. Where's my meter? I had to get my meter out and check to see if I was getting power to that circuit because, and lo and behold, the new one is reverse to this one. So I don't know what that means. Probably, I don't know. One's made in Mexico, maybe? I don't know. This one and probably the one previous are built in, or available in Canada. So that's probably the reason. So always pay attention to that. The information is actually right on the back of the receptacle. It says which one's the line, which one's the load. The line actually had a sticker on it, which means if you're not going to use it, you only use the other one. And if you do it the other way around, it won't work. So I already installed it once and it didn't work. And then I brought out my tester, made sure there's power there, installed it this time. Now I have power coming out of it. So now I can put all my tools away and just go on with life and not have to do so many projects in a day or two. So all said and done, quite a few things got fixed. A few things on the roof, GFI plug. I actually tore off the, removed the inside liner of the car passenger door and got a cable back to where it's supposed to be. So also a little heater fan got fixed. So yeah, you do what you have to do just to make sure that living in full-time in an RV just continues to work. My name is Kent. We're Living Light RV, grabbing life by the tail. We hope to see you next Thursday.